Hi guys, this is Shikha and welcome back to my channel. So I thought of doing a 30-day smoothie challenge. That means I'll be posting 30 consecutive videos for the next 30 days and I'll be showing you different smoothies which are healthy and delicious and motivating you to stay on track of your health and fitness journey. All these recipes will be dairy-free, sugar-free and gluten-free, so they are really healthy for you and they will be containing healthy fats, good protein and good carbs, so they are really all balanced and really healthy for you. And today is day 1 of the challenge and we are going to make acai blueberry smoothie, and this is really great for your skin because it's loaded with antioxidants. So if you want to eat healthy, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the little bell notification so that you get notified every time I upload any video. So the first ingredient which we are going to use today is acai, and acai is nutrient dense and it's having a lot of amazing antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. And this packets you can get from any health stores. I got mine from Trader Joe's and it has 4 to 5 packets just like this one, and this one is frozen and this is unsweetened one. So whenever you are buying, just make sure that this one is unsweetened, and in case if you cannot find this, you can also get this one which is in the powder form, and I got mine from Matcha Reserve. The thing is, with buying supplements online, you want to make sure that you are getting really high quality supplements, and that's the reason why I love this company, because this company makes all natural and high quality supplements. So if in case if you are interested in checking, I will leave the link in my description box. And yeah, so let's get started. Acai is really great for your skin because it's rich in antioxidant, and it also helps to maintain your weight and also simulate healthy digestion. So that's the reason why I love this stuff. And the next ingredient is banana. The banana keeps you full and energized for the longest time. Plus it has a potassium and even contains protein. The next ingredient is this beautiful pineapple, and this one contains vitamin C, helps to maintain weight and really good for your digestion. Next ingredient is blueberry, and this one is considered as a brain food and really good for your skin because it has a lot of antioxidants. And lastly, I'm going to put half of a lime or lemon, whatever you have. To blend everything together, I'm going to pour this almond milk inside. You can use any milk of your choice. All for day 1, and I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and you are going to recreate this smoothie recipe. And if you do so, please don't forget to let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to know that. So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow with a new healthy smoothie recipe. Till then, bye and enjoy.